Welcome to Arlington Community Arts. Today we're making winter lanterns. Begin by using pencil to draw a winter scene or anything else you would like on your piece of paper. When you have your drawing laid out, outline it in black Sharpie. When you're done with your outline, you can start filling it in with watercolor. The paper is very absorbent, so colors will easily bleed into each other. The wetter the paint, the farther it will spread. Set your painting aside for at least an hour to dry. If you'd like to speed up the process, you can use a hairdryer. When your painting is dry, wrap the bottom of it around a jewelry box and secure with Scotch tape. Also tape the seam where the paper overlaps itself. Place a tea light inside it and your lantern is done.